Welcome back. Today we're diving into Bitrix 24 Professional Plan, the ultimate tool for companies that want to automate, analyze, and optimize their business processes. Who needs it, why, and how do you sell its value? Let's get started. First, let's look at who Professional is for. Here are the 3 key client profiles. Number 1 is IT company. They need to automate development processes, manage projects, and analyze marketing campaigns. Professional delivers with advanced workflows and analytics. Next are manufacturing firms, from automating production to optimizing supply chains. Professional's business processes and BI analytics are a perfect fit. Lastly, our financial organization, automating financial operations, managing client accounts, and analyzing data for strategic decisions. Professional has it all. Now, here's your homework. Think about your own clients. Have you worked with a marketing agency? A logistics company? Write down their needs and how Professional solved them. Use these stories as powerful examples in your next pitch. Now let's talk value. Why is Professional a game changer? Business process automation, streamlined sales, HR, and more with an intuitive workflow designer. Smart processes create automated workspaces and different roles and department. End-to-end analytics track the ROI of every campaign and marketing channel. BI analytics integrate with Google and Data Studios or Microsoft BI for advanced reporting. Time tracking and work reports, perfect for remote teams, freelancers, or hourly workers. AI integrations, smart tools built into the Bitrix 24 make workflow even more smoother. Now, how do you sell this value? Tailor your pitch to their needs. For example, Professional automates your key processes, saving your team hours every week. Use BI analytics to make data-driven decisions and grow your business. Track marketing performance and focus on the channels that deliver results. Time tracking ensures compliance and fair pay for hourly workers. Professional isn't just a plan, it's a productivity powerhouse. Use these insights to show your clients how it solves their biggest challenges. Do you have a success story? Share it in the comments, and don't forget to check out the Bitrix 24 Partner Sales course. See you in the next lesson.